This is Emhape Tech with new video. For Energizer, its main talking point at MWC 2018 has been about batteries. This is unsurprising given it's what the company is primarily known for. But this time it's all about the battery life on its smartphones. The Energizer Hardcase H590S doesn't have the sheer battery brute force as the recently revealed Max P16K Pro, which promises around 5 days use, thanks to its 1600 mAh capacity, but looks like a bit of a brick in the process. It does come packing a meaty 5800 mAh, however. The Energizer Hardcase H590S is, as its name suggests, a ruggedized phone. This means that its chassis is a touch larger than most, measuring 164.2 by 79.4 by 12.15 mm. Energizer likes to boast about its camera on the H90S. Granted, it's pretty good, offering 16MP/0.3 MP for the main camera and 13MP/0.3 MP on the rear, but we weren't blown away by the shots we took. This is not the case with the H590S. For a start, the processor on board isn't going to cause too much battery drain. It comes with a MediaTek MT6763, this is equivalent to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 450, so it's a lower mid-range chip. Alongside this is 6GB of RAM and an impressive 128GB of storage. This is also expandable. The 5800 mAh should last 2 days if you aren't going too hard on any of the features. We obviously couldn't test this on the show floor, but it's as big a battery you will see in a phone of this thickness. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.